Hi! Welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice with me for flute. Today we're still working in the Rubank elementary method for flute, and we're on lesson 28, the Etude in D minor, so the second part. Or exercise 5, I guess. It's not part of the scale studies. Okay, so let's take a look at the piece as a whole. So first off, what key signature are we in? This is the key of F, 1 flat, B flat. What is our time signature? Common time, so 4/4. We have 4 beats in our measure. All right, so first things first, we have a pickup note. So we're gonna start on beat 4 from the count off. And then let's take a look at our dynamics. We're first gonna start off forte, loud and proud, right? And then when it's the second line, mezzo forte, so kind of loud. Then it's going to go back to forte, so back to loud, then back to mezzo forte. So it's going to do kind of a back and forth, but not like one measure to one measure to one measure. You know, it's just not a whole lot of dynamic change here, just between forte and mezzo forte. All right, and then we have a few triplets in here, so we'll need to make note of those triplets. And other than that, we have some accidentals we'll need to pay attention to. It looks like those accidentals are all C sharp though. So just take note that we have some C sharps coming up. That's not part of our key signature. All right, let's just take a look at the top line here. So we have the pickup note, then the dotted quarter, nothing too crazy on this top line here. So why don't we just play the top line and see how we do? All right, ready? 1, and remember we have the pickup note, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, play. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. So there we have that, just the top line. Not too bad, right? Nothing too crazy rhythmically or even note-wise. All right, let's play it one more time and then we'll move to the second line. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. All right, let's take a look at our second line now. So it might feel like it gets a little harder. We do have our accidentals starting to show up. So, and a little higher notes. So watch out for that E natural. That's the one that always gets me. All right, so this time, since there's not a pickup note just to this second half, or this second line, so now I'm gonna just do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll play. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, so that one's a little bit challenging, a little bit more challenging with the C sharp to E natural. You really have to have that air under control for that. And then just, yeah, the rhythms too. All right, let's do it one more time though. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. And are you remembering to play B flat in that second measure, second line? B flat. Okay, let's combine the two now, the top line and the second line. Okay, ready? So now we're going to go back to 1, 2, 3, play, because we're back to the beginning. All right, we're ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. We're getting there, aren't we? All right, let's take a look at our third line now. So once again, the rhythm's pretty well Not too bad. We do have a triplet at the end though. You see that there on the A? So don't forget about the triplets. All right, so let's just try this third line. Okay, ready? That means we're going back to 1, 2, 3, 4, then play. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So this is pretty well the same as the first line, except for instead of having a rest at the end, we have that triplet. Let's do it one more time before combining it all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, let's combine it all together now. So let's start from the beginning all the way to those triplets we just played. All right, ready? And that means we now have the pickup note. 1, 2, 3, play. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. Let's take a look at our fourth line now. Okay, so now we're gonna start getting a little bit higher. So we're gonna start with D. We still have the C sharp in that second measure. Triplets in the third measure on high D. And then on that last measure there, it's going to high F, to high E natural. So we'll have to make sure we really watch our air control there. All right, let's give this line, line 4, a try. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, how did you do? I didn't quite get my tonguing right on that last measure. I had the right notes. The slurs, ta, 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 ta. So I don't know if you got that one right or not, but let's get that before we move on. So just those last eighth notes. We're gonna work on our slurs and tongues. Ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, let's play that whole entire fourth line one more time before combining it all together. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. I got it that time. How about you? Great. Okay, let's combine it all together now. So from the beginning all the way to that section we just finished on. All right, so that means back to the pickup note. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. How did you do? Great. Let's take a look at our next line. So line number 6, the first measure is pretty close. We're still kind of in the higher-ish register, and then we kind of come back down and stay in the mid register. So we don't have to watch our air quite as much. All right, let's give it a try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So this one is all C natural versus the C sharps we've been doing, so it might sound a little different. Let's do it one more time before putting it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's put this all together now. So from the beginning all the way to the end of line 6. All right, ready? And remember, we're back to the pickup note. 1, 2, 3. All right, excellent job. All right, so now let's take a look at the 7th line, starting right off the bat with triplets. So this measure is going to be a little different. We have the triplets, quarter, triplets, quarter. So it's going to sound like this. It kind of just adds some intensity to the piece. And then everything else kind of like evens back out to the rhythms we've been working on for the rest of the song. All right, so let's just try this 7th line. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. How'd you do from those triplets, quarter, triplets, quarter? Not too bad, right? Let's do that line one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's combine this all together now. So from the beginning to the end of line 7. All right, so back to the pickup note. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. How'd you do? Great. All right, let's take a look at our last line. This last line's not too bad. It's just really finishing us off. So it's going to just be the 8th notes, kind of like what we were doing. And then just the last measure kind of goes to the triplet. So ta, 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 ta. That's it. All right, but I believe you got it. All right, let's play that last line. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. too bad, right? Let's play it one more time before playing the whole entire piece. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. All right, let's play this whole entire thing now, from beginning to end. All right, so remember, back to the pickup note. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. How'd you do? Do you want to play it one more time? Let's play it one more time, beginning to end. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job! I'm so proud of how far we've come. There's really not a whole lot left to the book. Before you know it, we're gonna be done with it. Alrighty, thanks for joining me today, and until next time!